Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Codex introduced another new feature which is the slash goal, and they have published it in their latest Codex update, and this is their answer to Anthropy Claude Code Ralph loop. You know about this Ralph loop. So some days ago Claude also introduced about this Ralph loop. This is a kind of autonomous loop that will execute until the goal is achieved. So I have tried the same thing inside Codex, and as a free user you can try it. I will show you all of the configuration that you need to do, and also I will show you the log file, and there I will show you that how it is calling the create goal feature when you type this slash goal. Here you see, if you just mention that slash goal, then it will use that, and if you explicitly mention it that don't use the slash goal, then it will not use. So on the left hand side here you see under this project section I have tried or I have made two different folder. One is this with goal, another one is this without goal, and inside my folder structure, if I show you, so inside this codex folder here you see with goal without goal, and I give the same prompt. So if I show you the first prompt that I gave, that use slash goal feature and implement a responsive navbar in simple HTML CSS. So this is a kind of simple task I gave just to check that is it working inside Codex app or not, because here you see when they released this slash goal, they mentioned that inside Codex CLI it is available, but they have not mentioned that inside Codex app also working or not. And some people confirm that you can use the slash goal inside the Codex app, but by default if you just initialize in a new chat and there type slash goal, there you will not find this command. Okay, but inside their config .tml file, if you mention one just flag, so let me just show you. Go to your .codex folder. So for the Windows user, okay, just go to your C drive, and inside that go to your user's profile, and inside that go to your name, and inside that you will find this dot codex. Inside that you need to find the config.tml file, TOML. Okay, just open it. Let me open it inside VS Code, and after that find the feature. So here you see that this is the feature. Let me just zoom it. So this is the feature. Okay, so here you will find this multi underscore agent equals to true, and you need to just put this goals equals to true. So this line you need to just put it here under this feature, and after that you will be able to access this goal feature. Okay, now here you see, let me just show you. When I tried it with goal and I asked it that use the slash goal feature and implement a responsive navbar, and after that here you see, when the task is done, it is just telling me goal completed in 37 seconds, and I have used the GPT 5.5 low. Okay, GPT 5.5 low. So just let me just place myself here, and here you see that GPT 5.5 low I have used as a free user. And after that I asked it that have you used the slash goal feature, and here you see that this is the response. Yes, I created a slash goal objective for this, and then I marked it complete after creating and checking the files, and the goal report showed it has completed in 37 seconds. And the same thing when I tried with this without goal, I gave it the same prompt, but I explicitly mentioned that don't use the slash goal feature. Now after that here you see that it did the work. Then I again asked it that okay, can you see the question? Just let me place myself here. Okay, so here you see that again I asked it that question. Just let me close it. Have you used the slash goal feature? Okay, now it is telling me no, I did not use the slash goal feature or create any goal tracking. Okay, now here you see that I again asked it, do you know about slash goal feature? It is saying yes, in this environment the slash goal is a feature for creating an explicit tracked objective with status and optional token budget, so no longer work can be monitored or and later marked complete. So so longer work can be monitored and later marked complete. The thing is that it is a kind of Ralph loop that it will run. So when you will give the task, it will complete, and it will also by default testing. Uh, so it is same as the Ralph loop. It will complete the task, and also it will test it automatically. If there is any bug, it will fix that, and after the work is done, it will give you the final presentation. Okay, and here you see, I just asked it that not getting about optional token budget, because here you see this is a thing it mentioned with a status and optional token budget. So optional token budget means if you are mentioning slash goal, and after that if you are just explicitly mentioning that with a budget of 8,000 tokens, then it will try to complete that task within a 8,000 token budget. Okay. Now, again, I just went to their session logs to explicitly check that during with goal, it really used the goal feature or not. Okay, so let me show you that log file so that you can understand. Okay, just let me open that. Inside the codex, this dot codex, you need to go to the sessions. Okay, let me go to the sessions, and it is a 2026 year, and today is the 5th, sorry, today is the 2nd May. So this is a May, this folder 2nd May, and here you see that the first one I tried this 5:53. Okay, and after that without goal I tried on at 6 p.m. Okay, let me just verify the time also here. You see that first I tried this with goal, and then I tried this without goal. Okay, so let me try this. Let me open this. Okay, uh, yes, edit in Notepad, and there just search for the create goal, and here you see that create goal. This line is present here. This is the create goal. Can you see it? This create goal, right? So create goal is present because I explicitly mentioned to use the goal feature. And if I open the same thing inside this without goal, these session logs, you will find that this kind of create goal is not present. Okay, so it is verified that if you use this slash goal inside Codex app, then it will use that goal feature as the rel loop. Although if you just write slash goal, then you will not find this command. Maybe in some other updates they will add it as a skill, but if you mention it as the slash goal, then it will use that. It is confirmed. Okay. So where is my camera? Okay, my camera is here. Let me just drag it here. Okay. Uh, so yes, this is the feature. And another important and interesting thing I have found. Yes, here you see many people confirm that slash goal get goals fully working in the Codex app. Make it show up as a real skill, and this is the thing. So some people are confirming that Codex is not like the Cloud Code. If you know the limit is going to end like last 10 to 8%, give an very long run task, and even after the limit got over, you will continue to do the task until the task was completed. So if your task has not completed yet and it remains like 8 to 10% kind of limit, so Codex will not stop. Codex will complete the task although your limit gets over. So this is not the Cloud Code, because Cloud Code actually stop the work when your limit get adjusted. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. So that's why people are very much happy with this Codex. And also you please try this slash goal feature inside Codex. And the output that I have got, okay, I actually tried the simple thing, so that's why maybe I have not got that kind of difference between the slash goal and goal. But if you check the logs, there we will find that it will perform more test cases than the without goal. Okay, so if you just write slash goal, then automatically it will check the bugs, and also it will test that, and it will execute some more commands if you mention slash goal. Okay, it is confirmed. So yes, guys, this is the thing. Okay, okay. If you want to see the output, okay. So let me show you the output also. So this is the with goal output. This is the with goal output. Okay, responsive navbar. Here you see it is working fine, and uh, without goal. Okay, so without goal, if I go and open it, so this is the output, and it is also working fine. Both are working fine. It's just simple kind of testing, and you can try this slash goal with the more advanced task, and let me know that what kind of variation you are getting and how it is working in your case. Okay, so if you want to get this kind of latest update, such a transparency video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And please subscribe this channel and please like this video.